Dictionary YT at dictionary. In a general sense, a wheeze refers to a high-pitched, whistling sound made while breathing, typically resulting from narrowed airways due to inflammation, congestion, or obstruction. Wheezing is often associated with respiratory conditions such as asthma, bronchitis, or allergies, where the airflow through the lungs becomes restricted. It can occur during both inhalation and exhalation and may vary in intensity depending on the severity of the underlying condition. Wheezing can be accompanied by other symptoms such as coughing, shortness of breath, or chest tightness, and may indicate an acute or chronic respiratory issue that requires medical evaluation and treatment.